This is the Kaylin, Emily, and Leah show. And apparently I lay Pez eggs. No.
Yeah.
Leah, you need to get yourself a little more in the show because it's mostly me.
Yeah, it really is. Your big
I
head
know.
always in the way.
I know. I'm sorry.
Kitty! The video's not done loading yet. It's really cold down here. It would be really funny if I fell. Remember that one time I was there? I always tell stories.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
That nobody on this video is going to care about.
I think we should have a dancing moment. Ready?
Do it.
We need some music, DJ. My legs are big, but I have to move so slow.
Shut up.
I love her.
You know what? Wow,
Don't touch me.
this is not a dancing song.
Not this song.
Holy cow. Hold on.
Leah, we've been over with those hats.
I know. I like them. It's my party hat.
It's been a while.
Turn up real high. Like as high as it goes.
Whatever.
Are you serious?
Leah, get it.
And I'm here now.
Come on, Emily.
Sorry. You go across like this. I'll do it. Let's get like. I'm alright. I'm alright. Leah, I think we're done. I don't want to watch you dance, Leah.
Music over.
Why do you get so close to my face? It kind of creeps me out.
Emily's face is gorgeous. Why not?
Why was your head so close?
Because I went like this.
Why are you slouching, Leah?
Leah, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I wanna.